Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Boyle and my first year internship hours are actually going to be completed right where I work. So the agency that I currently work at is a county mental health agency. It serves 4 counties in rural central Pennsylvania. We have behavioral health, we have intellectual disabilities, early intervention, drug and alcohol, all different types of services, but where I work is in our site-based psychiatric rehabilitation. So our program is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for psych rehab, and we do a different program on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But for psych rehab, I work with people individually and in groups. We work on everybody's individualized rehabilitation plan, and pretty much my role is to help the people that I work with achieve their goal. It's in various domains, like some people want to go back to work, some people want to go back to school, some people just want to integrate into the community a little bit more. So I work with everybody has a different goal. What I'm expecting from field is just to connect what I do on a day-to-day basis to the social work domains. I don't really, you don't really think about it when you're doing it, but now that I know a little bit more on the back end about some of the theories and the evidence-based practices, I'm excited to connect those things to my day-to-day work. What I'm most excited about is just being able to start my internship hours. I feel like the last year and a half you've been working so hard, and it's finally here that you get to start your internship, so it's exciting. Don't really have any concerns, only because I'm doing my hours right at my place of employment, and I've been doing this job for the last 2 years, so I feel pretty comfortable in what I do. But if I did have any concerns, I have a good relationship with my supervisor and my field supervisor. They're both co-workers of mine, my field supervisor as well. So I feel like if I did have any concerns, I could just easily talk to them about it. But also just keeping my work and personal life separately. I feel like that's a big thing for me, and it always has been, just to keep that balance. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to start my internship and excited to hear about everybody else's placements. Just looking forward to working with everybody over the next 14 weeks. Thank you.